All too often, we hear stories of how we are negatively impacting the environment. I'm Talia, and I'm here to tell you a different type of story. A story about positive change to a local coastal environment on the northern beaches of Sydney. It involves a type of marine algae called Phalospora cosma, or Crayweed. Before 1990, sewage was dumped directly into the water near our beaches. As you can imagine, this led to high pollution levels, up to 1 million times today's levels. This pollution killed off most of the Crayweed forests on the northern beaches. You might think, so what? It's just a seaweed. Well, Crayweed is an essential part of our local marine ecosystems. It provides food and habitat for a huge number of fish and invertebrates, including abalone and crayfish. It also plays a big part in the health of our planet, as it produces oxygen and captures atmospheric carbon, so losing Crayweed is bad news for our local marine biodiversity and our Earth. Despite the positive changes to wastewater treatment in the 1990s, Crayweed has failed to recover naturally. But now, an organisation called Operation Crayweed has developed a way to bring this species back to the coastlines of Sydney by transplanting healthy, fertile adults from existing populations and attaching them to rocks using biodegradable mesh. These Crayweed adults then reproduce, and their Crayweed babies, or craybies, attach permanently to the reef. This process has successfully restored the Crayweed population, and with it the animals that depend on it. There are many restoration sites around Australia, and I recently had the privilege of coming here to Freshwater Beach to take part in the amazing work Operation Crayweed is doing. It's so rewarding to feel you're giving back to the environment that sustains us.